Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to turn off or how to disabling a duet features on a TikTok. So first thing we have to do is open the TikTok application, and after we open, we sometimes will be generated into the first features or segments, which is home, but this is not the place we will work. And so just move into the profile, and after that you just need to take a look on these three straight lines here and click it. And for the next, just need to click a settings and privacy. On the setting and privacy, you will have to go into the account and go with the privacy, and you just need to scrolling down, going into the interaction segments here. So here will be a lot of options that you can set. One of them is Duet. You just need to click it, and after that on the Duet tools or Duet segments, you just need to click it and adjusting from everyone into only me, so there will be no one can duet your content. So that's all the way how to turn off or to disabling a duet features on a TikTok. If you find out this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.